The new truth is AI plus automation can do a lot more than you believe. I'm not saying it's going to replace humans. Humans that can operate these machines are going to unlock a lot more productivity than you'd ever see. Humans need to collaborate was the old truth, but humans plus AI needs to collaborate. So I visualize a world where you have a human org chart and an AI org chart with different agentic systems, and they're going to collaborate with each other. And it's going to be a beautiful future. You need in-house developers. That's an old truth. You don't need them in most cases. Some cases you obviously do. But in most cases, you can start with no-code tools and you can vibe code. What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a term coined by Andrej Karpathy, who was part of the FST team in Tesla. And basically, you're programming with an AI. And this is something I do. I started to do a lot now the last few months. Basically, you're giving prompts in English and you're getting output in JavaScript or JSON or Python or whatever your language is. It doesn't matter. You don't even need to know the language. You're just giving English prompting and you get output back in the format that makes sense for your next step. And that's vibe coding, where you're working with the AI and you're training the AI and you're figuring out how to build whatever you're trying to build. And this is magical. So I'm using vibe coding for my own little projects. I'm using vibe coding for Moonrise, obviously, to set up all different content systems and sales systems. So it's phenomenal what you can do, which I used to do with a team of 6 people. Now I have no-code tools that cost me less than $200 a month, and I'm vibe coding a couple of hours a week to really get lots more output than what I used to have. And the old truth is also to build your staff with managers and so on. But now I think you can upskill your staff with AI agents to get lots more out of it. So if you have a team, the best thing you can do for that team is to really educate them about AI agents and how to implement AI-powered workflows, because you will get lots more out of it instead of trying to recruit more people. Obviously, this needs to be looked at case by case. But as a general rule, I would say think hard before you get on more people in the agentic AI, when you can achieve a lot more repeatability than if you had to get humans. So a payback on a typical hire is about 6 months, 3 to 6 months. 3 months if it's a really good hire, 6 months usual hires. AI teams, AI automations, your payback is less than weeks, in most cases. So small AI augmented teams will outperform traditional teams. Now, in the case with Moonrise, I'm going to do a separate video on it, about how I've implemented no-code tools and AI-powered workflows. But literally, you can see I have an Airtable base, for instance. I click on the trigger webhook, which is a little button here. And on the right-hand side, I have a bunch of rows where I get my blog, I get my YouTube video, I get Instagram shots, I get social posts. And it's all ready for me. And since we work with health, I can't just post it. I'm not 100% automated. So I have humans in a couple of different steps there. And they come and make sure it's all quality proofed, right? And then we have a publishing schedule. That used to be like a team of 4 people writing content, a team of 2 people doing design, and that's gone.